Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. There is tension again in sections of East Kingston as gangsters continue to wreak havoc on communities in the area. An early morning gun attack left several persons running for their lives and 4 persons injured. 2 have since been released from hospital. TVJ's Anthony Lugg tells us more.
Panic and fear in East Kingston. This after rival gangs traded bullets shortly after 2 a.m. at a bike show in the vicinity of Diagala Road and Warwicker Road Friday morning. Residents were sent running for cover. When the shooting ended, 4 persons were seen suffering from gunshot wounds. Head of the Kingston Eastern Police Division, Senior Superintendent Victor Hamilton, says relative calm has been restored to the area. When we visited the community, most if not all the residents we saw in the streets were talking about Friday morning shooting. The police have launched an investigation into the shooting to determine what led to the incident and who are the perpetrators involved.
This is another incident where persons seem to want to take the law into their own hands. The rule of law does not exist for them. And so despite our warnings, they expose themselves to danger. The area is calm just now. We have a presence in the area, and we will continue to find out who the perpetrators were. We have some names, but at this point, they just remain names. We are investigating to see who the real players were in this incident.
There's also more discussions because questions are now being raised as to whether or not a permit was granted for the event.
I would be the last person to permit an event such as that. Last meaning there had to be certain other elements of security in place for that to happen, such as medical. An ambulance would have to be there. You're talking about getting fire persons involved. So from my standpoint, Superintendent Hamilton alone would never ever grant permit for a bike show, right? We take into consideration the safety of the persons involved and the community at night. There are persons who would want to sleep, who would want to rest.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.